Okay, now we're going to take a look at the two user accounts that are involved here. I don't know if I'm going to actually create accounts from scratch. I mean, if you're in a video for how to create a bi-directional integration, you probably know how to create user accounts. But what we will do is just take a real quick look at the roles that are afforded each. So summarily, basically, we just created an account on both instances. I used a naming convention that made it easy for me to find. Just called them integration user and just the name of the instances. Coming down, we'll look at the roles here. And really what we're looking at is just the roles that you need are the import role and then the ones that are going to be for the tables that you're looking at. So I have the table, which we'll look at in a little bit, which is generic incident import. And then on the, well, on both sides, I have that MB in the name. And then I do have one here. If we have time, then I'll show an attachment as well. Now, one thing I do want to call out is that while I was going through and doing this, I noticed that I had the password for the instance integration one user in the comments field. We're going to use that later um, along. I don't really feel like resetting it. I realized that technically you could take that because now you have the ID and password and the table name and the instance from the URL, and you could, you know, send incidents to my instance. Like, just don't do that. Just please don't.